My dear soul, what is love? It is easy to live and know, but very difficult to say. Like someone asking a fish what is the ocean. So the fish can say, this is the ocean, it is here all around, it is the same. But if someone asks, tell me what it is, don't tell, then it will be very difficult for the fish. Even in man's life, whatever is best, beautiful and true can be lived, can be known, can happen, but it is very difficult to say. And the accident and misfortune is that mankind has been talking only for 5,000-6,000 years about the way in which one should live and the way in which one should happen. There is talk of love, songs of love are being sung, hymns of love are being sung, and love has no place in human life. If we search within man, we will not find any word more false than love. And the people who have proved love untrue and who have blocked all the streams of love, and the great misfortune is that people think that they are also the originators of love. Religion talks about love, but till today the kind of religion that has loomed over mankind like a misfortune, that religion itself has closed all the doors of love from human life. And in this regard there is no difference between East and West, neither in India nor in America. The flow of love could not appear in human life. And if it does not happen, then we blame that man is bad, that is why it could not happen. We blame that this mind itself is poison, that is why it could not manifest. Mind is not poison. And those who have been calling the mind poison have poisoned love and have not allowed love to manifest. How can the mind be poisoned? There is nothing poisonous in this world. There is nothing poisonous in this entire undertaking of God, everything is nectar. But man has poisoned all the nectar. And teachers, saints and so-called religious people have the biggest role in this poisoning. It is important to understand this a little. Because if this thing is not visible, then love will never happen in a person's life even in the future. Because the reasons due to which love could not arise, we are using the same reasons as the basis and reason for expressing love. The circumstances are such that if wrong principles are repeated for thousands of years, then we forget that the principles are wrong, and it begins to appear that the man is wrong because he is not able to fulfill those principles. I have heard that a fan seller was passing by an emperor's palace and was shouting loudly that he had manufactured unique and wonderful fans. Such fans have never been made. These fans have never even been seen. The emperor peeped through the window and saw who had brought the unique fan. The emperor had all kinds of fans, who could be found in every corner of the world. And looked down, there was a man standing in the corridor, who would be an ordinary two-pacer fan, and was shouting that he was unique, unique. The man was called upstairs and asked what was the specialty of these feathers. What is the price of these fans? That fan said, Maharaj, the price is not high. The prices are very low considering the fan. There is a fan of only 100 rupees. The emperor said, 100 rupees. This 2 paise fan, which is available everywhere in the market, is priced at 100 rupees. What is its specialty? The man said, goodness. This fan lasts for 100 years. Guaranteed for 100 years. Does not spoil in less than 100 years. The emperor said, looking at this, it seems that it is difficult to last even this week. Trying to cheat. Blatant dishonesty, and the two in front of the emperor. The man said, you know me very well, I sell fans in this corridor every day. It costs 100 rupees, and if it doesn't last for 100 years, then I am responsible. I am present below every day. And then you are the emperor, where will I go after betraying you? That fan was purchased. The emperor did not believe it, but was also surprised that this man was telling a blatant lie. On what basis was he saying this? The fan was bought for 100 rupees and he was asked to be present on the 7th day. Within 2-4 days the fan rod came out. On the 7th day he became completely dead. But the emperor thought that perhaps the fan would not come. But at the right time, on the 7th day, the fan appeared and said, tell me Maharaj. He said, needless to say, this fan is lying broken. This speed happened in just 7 days. You say it will last for 100 years. Are you crazy or a fraud? What are you? The man said that it seems you don't know how to blow a fan. The fan will last for 100 years. The fan is guaranteed. How did you fan yourself? The emperor said, listen Mo, now I will have to learn how to make a fan too. The man said, please tell me how did you make the speed of this fan such in 7 days? How did you fan? The emperor picked up the fan and demonstrated that he had fanned it like this. The man said, understood the mistake. This is not how fanning is done. The emperor said, what other way is there to blow the fan? The man said, hold the fan in front and shake your head. The fan will last for 100 years. You will be eliminated, but the fan will survive. The fan is not wrong, your way of fanning is wrong. This man has been born, this man is the fruit of 5,000-6,000 or 10,000 years of culture. But the culture is not wrong, this man is wrong. Man is dying every day and the cry for culture continues. Great culture, great religion, great everything. And this is the result of it. Man has passed through the same culture and this is its result. But no, man is wrong and man should change himself. And no one dares to say whether it is possible that the culture and religion which could not fill man with love in 10,000 years is wrong. And if man has not been filled with love in 10,000 years, then is there any possibility in the future on the basis of this religion and this culture that man will ever be filled with love?